Hi guys, how's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. I'm Zita. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button in the corner. And I will be doing a giveaway for all of my subscribers once I reach 1,000 subscribers. I do have a ways to go, so help me out here. And the giveaway I'll be doing is for either a Cricut Joy or an Amazon gift card. So in order to qualify and help me reach my first goal, you need to subscribe to my channel, like and comment on my videos, share my videos with your family and friends. So on my channel, I share with you the DIYs I'm doing around my home, the DIYs I create for my own home decor, or for resale, or to give as a gift. And I share with you the process that I go through to make these items into beautiful treasures again. So let's get started and see what I worked on in today's video. So today, guys, I'm going to show you how I make over this ugly, small, beat up Christmas tree that I thrifted from a thrift store. So my first step, I'm going to spray paint the base. Make sure you have your safety glasses on and a mask for this when you're doing your spray paint. So this base was pretty beat up, so I gave it one coat of spray paint. I just have a plastic bag inside the base there just so it wouldn't spray any of the green. So this is what the base looked like, and it wasn't too bad looking, but I did kind of change my mind on just leaving it like that afterwards. So my next step here to update this tree was to get some spray snow, and I sprayed a light coat of snow. I didn't want it to look really heavy. I just wanted it to just have a light coat of snow. So this is what the tree looked like after it was sprayed with the snow. It looked pretty good. This stuff is really messy though, guys. I let this dry overnight and it was still messy the next day. So first I wanted to maybe put it in the basket, but that base was a little too tall for that basket. And I thought about just leaving it in the base, but I don't know, I think it needed something else other than just a white base. So the basket wasn't tall enough, so I took out my plant from this crock pot that I have, and I thought I'm going to try it in there just to give the tree some more height as well. So that fit in there nicely. So there I'm just straightening out the branches. Took a step back to look at it. And as you can see, the tree comes off the base, so I thought I'll just try it in the basket without the base. And I thought that looked really, really nice, but I wanted the tree to be a little taller than that. So I put it back in the base and kept it inside the crock, and this is where I start decorating the tree. And as you can see there, I got my little supervisor there watching me, making sure I get everything right with the tree. And he's got his little Santa collar on and his little Santa hat, and I have my little Santa hat on there as well. So first here I'm applying the lights. This set of lights was a thick set of lights, and it had that yellow hue to the lights, and this was a short string of lights, so I kind of just basically wrapped that around most of the front. So I'm putting two colors of lights on there. So this set of lights was a really bright whitish blue light. So, and I picked these up at the thrift store for just $4 for 22 feet of light. So I was able to wrap those lights all the way around the tree, all the way to the top. So it was nice with the two different color of lights on there. What do you guys think of the two different color lights? Do you guys like that, or do you just put one set of color lights on your tree? And here I have some gold and silver ribbon that I'm going to put on the tree next. And I also thrifted that ribbon from a thrift store as well for like $1. So I apply that all the way around the tree to the top because there was enough on the roll for this little tree. So this is what it looks like with the lights and the ribbon. And I'm going to start out with some snowflake ornaments here. What do you guys think of my little hat? I picked those up at the dollar store. And they have a little clip on them to clip onto your hair. So I put one on my dog and one on myself. Getting in the Christmas spirit, guys. So I'm placing a few of these snowflakes around the tree. And coming up here, I'll be showing you the rest of the ornaments that I'll be putting on the tree as well. So guys, the reason I'm putting up this small tree, this is what I had on hand. I thrifted this a couple of years ago, and it was time for a makeover on it. It was looking pretty shabby looking. And I live in a small condo, so I didn't want to go out and buy another tree since it's just me and my dog. And so this is what I had, and this is what I went with, and I just made it over and beautified it, and it looks amazing in the end. So here's another set of snowflakes that I'm placing on the tree, some clear ones and some white ones. So let me know in the comments, guys, what are you guys doing for Christmas? What are your plans for Christmas? Are you having a big gathering this year since we couldn't really have one last year? Do you guys have a big tree, a little tree? Do you have a tree that you're making over? What kind of ornaments are you guys using? What color of ornaments? I'm going to be putting some purple and some red and some iridescent ornaments on here coming up. And I got some silver ones as well, and some sparkly silver ones. And my dog's right into helping me out here and checking out what's in these boxes. He's hoping he might find a treat in there, I think. Do your dogs come around like this when you're decorating the tree and be very attentive and watch you decorate the tree, or are they just oversleeping on the couch? Here's my purple ornaments. I got two different kinds of purple there. Some will have some sparkle on them, and there's my iridescent ornaments. These were a gift from a friend years and years ago. So I like those because they kind of pick up like whatever color ornament I'm putting on the tree. They kind of mimic whatever color the other ornaments are. And then I got some blue ones there as well, and silver, so it all ties in nicely together. What do you think, guys? How do you think it's looking so far? And these bulbs weren't glass either, so I did drop a few, and luckily they weren't glass and they didn't break. My dog's still there checking out what I'm doing. He's such good company for decorating the tree. Oh, he wants some attention now. He is so adorable. I just love him. He's giving me kisses. Give me some attention, Mommy. Give me some attention. Oh, he's so adorable. He's so curious. Are your dogs like this? He's just so adorable. But when I'm editing this and watching him, it just melts my heart. So we're just about done with the decorating here. Just the final topper here. I got this gold angel from the dollar store. Just putting that on the top and we're finished, and you can see the final reveal. And here's the final look, guys. So from an old beat up thrifted Christmas tree to a beautiful modernized updated Christmas tree. So guys, I hope this video gives you guys some inspiration to update a tree that you guys have laying around and that you're thinking about throwing in the garbage or taking to the thrift store. It's so easy to update it by painting the base. You could even build a wood box around the base if you want something better looking than the base it already has. You could put it in a pot like this one. You could apply snow to the tree to give it an update. You can apply some beautiful ornaments, some beautiful lights, and all of a sudden you have this spectacular tree again. So guys, don't forget to give this video a like and a comment. And please consider subscribing to my channel. And once I reach that 1,000 subscribers, you may have a chance to win an awesome prize. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, because next week I have a video coming up where I made over my mantle and it turned out absolutely beautiful. And maybe it'll give you guys some ideas to make over your mantle. So guys, I really appreciate you hanging out with me today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a safe and happy holiday. And don't forget to talk nice to yourself and others today. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.